So we're on just an above medium heat. In there I've got some oil. I've got like 3 tablespoons of an oil. I'm using a sunflower. You can use something different if you want. Here, our chicken. I've got 1 kg of chicken, which is 2.2 pound. Different chicken parts. Bone is in, skin is on. We're going to drop all of this in, and we're going to add some salt and pepper. And on this above medium heat, we're going to go for around 6 to 7 minutes. Black pepper, salt. See you in 6 or 7. Okay, so we've got a nice bit of color on there. Next up, 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon garlic. Stay on this above medium heat for 4 more minutes. Let's add some potatoes. I've got like 2 or 3 cups of potatoes there. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. And very simply, let's go for another 3 to 4 minutes. Again, staying on this above medium heat. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to add 1 can of tomatoes. When I say 1 can, I mean a regular size can, which is 400 ml. That was a whole plum tomato. Just crushed it with my hand. 2 teaspoons of oregano, and I'm using a teaspoon of paprika. That's quite a hot paprika. Gonna give it a little bit of heat. We're now gonna add 1 cup of water. Well, I'm using water. If you want, you could use white wine, red wine, or chicken stock. We're gonna lower the heat now. Not to a simmer, but above a simmer. We're going to let this go for about 8 to 10 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. That's beautiful. Potatoes are nice and tender. Chicken's going to be cooked perfectly. Check it for salt and pepper. You might want to add a bit of salt and pepper in there. Now, what else could you get in there? So get some other veg in if you wanted. On the way, I'm just keeping it with chicken and potatoes. Get some olives in there maybe, you know. Some fresh basil, fresh parsley, up to you. Let me get that. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.